Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change password on YouTube Music. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your YouTube Music application, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, where exactly can you download YouTube Music? You can download it on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Launch any of these applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type YouTube Music and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing, it's going to take you right into the sign-up page for YouTube Music. Now, I'd like you to know that YouTube Music is integrated into your Google account, so signing in is hassle-free. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage, where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on YouTube Music. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to change password on YouTube Music. Now, where we started the introductory phase of this tutorial, I mentioned that YouTube Music is integrated into your Google account, so signing in is hassle-free. Now, what does that imply? It implies that you do not create an account or create a password on YouTube Music when you're signing up. Now, when signing in, you give Google the leverage. You sign in, of course, with your Google account, so you give Google the leverage to create an account for you, meaning your password, your Google password is your YouTube Music password, and your Google details are, of course, your YouTube Music details, that's depending on the permissions available. Now, what this implies is that you cannot change your password directly in the YouTube Music application because you did not create the account with a separate password independent of your Google password. This further implies that for you to change your YouTube Music password, you need to change your Google account password. So follow through the step-by-step processes to change your Google account password, and after doing that, it's definitely going to reflect in your YouTube Music password. So since you do not have a separate password for YouTube Music, you cannot change it. You use your Google account to create you use your Google account to create a YouTube Music account. So if you want to change your password, then go ahead and change your Google account password, and that's all they need to be. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.